Hi guys, welcome to YouTube and welcome to C and C++ graphics tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can fill color inside the Eclipse. It's very easy. If you haven't seen my color related videos, C++ color related videos, I will suggest you please watch that video. Otherwise, you will be not going to understand this video. Okay, so let's get started now. So first, let me show you the result. Compile and execute. As you can see, we have this oval type of shape, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fill red color inside this Eclipse. So I will write set fill style, and I wanted a solid fill. And instead of solid fill, we can try different patterns. Here I have a list of different patterns. Okay, let's use this hatch fill, and you can get this article online. Link will be in description for all the color codes and all the pattern codes. We will use a hatch fill for this one now. And for the color, let's use a different color. Okay, let's use magenta. Let's use a magenta color. The color code is a 5 for the magenta, so I will just write down the 5 here instead of magenta. So we have set it the color here. The pattern is a hatch fill and the color is a magenta. Now what I'm gonna do, we're gonna fill this by using FloodFill. Okay, so write FloodFill function, and inside the FloodFill function there is a first value which is for the x-axis, and there is a second value which is for the y-axis. Here just write down the same values as it is as a Eclipse one. Okay, so in Eclipse the y value is a 150 and x value is a 150. Just write down the same values and then just write down the border color. So in our case, the border color will be the white, because by default by default all these shapes are in white color right now, because we haven't set the set color right now, so color will be white. So that's why I have written white here, because I don't want it to exceed that white line through the through the magenta color. So we got the result. And suppose if you wanted to make these white borders also of the same color, same like magenta, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna write set color on top of all the code. Okay, and write down the color code here. The color code for magenta is a 5, so I will just write down the 5 and compile and run. Oh sorry, and this will not work because in FloodFill I have written white. Now instead of white we are using magenta, so this will not work. So you can see everything just become a magenta hatch style. So here we have to tell this do not exceed magenta color. The 5 color, do not exceed this color. Now it will be, the pattern will be inside the Eclipse. Now let's see, compile and run, and here you can see the result. We got the result. This is how you fill the colors. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have any question you can ask me, and all the color codes and patterns are available online. Link will be in description, and you can also check out my other C++ and C graphics video.